my name is Shanice Boyd and today I will show you how you can use the amazing LumiSpa for your daily facial routine. For the most effective treatment, I'm using the following products: the NAPCA Moisture Mist, the Activation Cleanser for my skin type, the Age-Look Serum, and to finish up the facial, the Radiance Day Cream. Of course, you can also use other new skin products that will work perfectly with your specific skin type. Make sure to choose your preferred LumiSpa head. The firm one on the right side is used for more exfoliation of the skin and provides a more intense massage. Let's start our daily face wash routine. Moist your face with the NAPCA Moisture Mist and also wet the LumiSpa head. Apply a generous amount of the Age-Lock LumiSpa Activating Cleanser onto the LumiSpa head. Then spread the gel to the 4 different face sections by gently touching your skin with the LumiSpa head. Turn the device on by pressing the on-off button. Slowly glide the LumiSpa back and forth over your forehead using broad strokes. It is very essential that we use this motion due to its extra aging prevention. The device will pause quickly 3 times every 30 seconds to prompt you to move from one area of the face to the next. When we treat our nose and cheek area, it is very important that we glide the device towards the lymph nodes. Make sure not to use a scrubbing motion or to press too hard. Also, avoid the eye area during your treatments. Remember, in this short 2-minute treatment, we profit from 7 skin benefits. Those would be skin renewal, skin smoothness, as well as increased radiance and refreshed skin. Also, purified skin, a minimized appearance of the pores, as well as increased appearance of skin volume and density. Therefore, the micropulse oscillation is one of its kind. Another great aspect of the LumiSpa is that we can even use it in the shower or in a wet environment. Once charged, it can be used longer than twice per day for 7 days. Take care that the charging base is not exposed to water. We can even remove our makeup with the LumiSpa. Now we are already treating the last area of the face. After 2 minutes have passed, the device will automatically stop to signalize the end of the treatment. Since we have a soft silicone treatment head which is silver embedded, we can clean the device with a short water rinse, which makes it super hygienic, easy and fast to clean. Rinse your face with water and pat it dry. Ensure that you only apply new skin products after this treatment. I chose the powerful Age-Lock Future Serum. Its clinically tested formula reveals younger looking skin in 8 ways, combining the benefits of many different anti-aging products into a single product. Place 2 bumps of this luxurious serum on fingertips and apply in an upward-outward motion to the face. Finish off your daily routine with a cream. The silky smooth formula of the Radiant Day Cream contains ingredients that protect against sun damage. It stimulates youthful cell turnover for a smoother, softer texture and reduces the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles, delivering radiant, flawless skin. Use your LumiSpa morning and night to experience an energizing facial massage with results that intensify over time. Thanks for watching and make sure to subscribe.